to Otis Place. Today we are doing it vlog style. Today I'm going to be using black soap to wash my hair. Today is wash day for me. I want to use black soap to wash my hair. I've not used black soap since I went natural. I'm just curious to know how it's going to perform on my hair. I used it before when I was relaxed. The first time I used it, it was really drying on my hair. I tweaked it by adding some oils and glycerin, and it now worked well for me then. So today I'm just going to go straight with the recipe I used the second time when I was relaxed, and let's see how it's going to be. Guys, it's so hot in Nigeria. It is really hot. That's why I'm sweating like this. I'm going to wash my hair and I'm going to come back and give you my thoughts on how the black soap performed. But before I do that, let me show you how I made my black soap shampoo. DIY black soap shampoo. So I'm going to use Dudu Osun for this. Here is how the soap looks. It's an all natural black soap, very good for the skin. I use this quite often on my body. The ingredients here say palm kernel oil, cocoa pod ash, palm bunch ash, shea butter, lime juice, honey, whole leaf aloe vera, camwood powder, perfume, lemon juice, and water. That's what it says on the label, on the ingredient list here. I'm not going to use all of this soap. I'm just going to use about a quarter of it. So I'll be using my grater to grate this because I want it to dissolve quickly. I want it in smaller pieces. The smaller they are, the faster they will dissolve in water. You can use a knife to cut yours. You're not in a hurry for it to dissolve. So I'll transfer this into a container, and I'm going to put in about 500 ml of water, warm water. Warm water will make it dissolve quickly. I'm just going to let it sit for 5 minutes to dissolve completely, and we'll continue from there. I'm going to use my clove oil that I made. If you've not seen the recipe, please check. I'm going to link it so that you can see how I made the clove oil. I just put about 10 drops of the clove oil inside the black soap mix. I'm also putting tea tree essential oil. I put about 5 drops. I intended putting about 5 drops of the tea tree essential oil. I just mixed it up and turned it into a container, and here is our black soap shampoo, our DIY black soap shampoo. African black soap is a handmade soap with plant-based ingredients. It is rich in antioxidants, vitamin A and vitamin E. They help fight free radicals. It's normally used for the skin. It helps fight rashes, any skin disease. Black soap is known to take care of that. So I think there's hardly any African home you don't find black soap in. But for the hair, it acts as a clarifying agent. It just lifts up dirt easily and leaves your scalp very clean, and it maintains the pH of your scalp. This soap lathers so much, so well. Just a little and the lather is so much. So after shampooing, I shampooed my hair 3 times with this. This is just the first shampoo, so you can see how much it lathered even when my hair was dirty. After shampooing the hair, I washed it and deconditioned my hair. So guys, yeah, I'm done washing the hair. I washed it in twists and the hair feels moisturized. Oh, feels so moisturized. It wasn't drying at all. This is a shampoo I will definitely use again. And I didn't even use all of it. You guys saw the quantity I made. This is what I have left. So you should definitely reach for a wash day. Not for me to wash. I have my niece here. Her hair, she's just starting her natural hair journey. Her hair is short. So this will definitely be enough for her. More than enough for her. I'll keep this for her to use. If I want to use it, I'll have to make another one. But this shampoo is good. I liked it. The hair was not stripped at all. The hair still feels moisturized. And yeah, it's good. I'm going to moisturize the hair and seal it. I'll do that off camera. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. When you subscribe, click on the notification bell so that whenever new videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. And please give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Giving it a thumbs up helps YouTube recommend the video to more people who like this kind of content. Thank you very much. I noticed we have quite a number of subscribers on the channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, hello, my name is Otabi. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're already a subscriber, hello, how are you doing today? I decided to just try a different style. Let me know in the comments if you people like this vlog style. Just trying it out. So yeah, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. If you're not going to watch the videos, there's no need for you to subscribe. So if you're going to watch my videos, subscribe. I do videos on natural hair, lifestyle, motherhood, everything. Because anything I think will be useful to you, I'll make videos on this channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.